And there you have it. You have gold, and you can do this with as many symbols as you want. Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to share with you the new and updated version of the MT4 bot. I've made a couple of changes. I added some more features, made error handling better, added some more symbols so it should work, made the parsing better, fixed bugs. It's a lot more things in general have been improved, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So first thing you want to do is you want to install Python from their website right here. Alright, I already have it installed. Now when you install it, you want to make sure you add the path, or add python.exe to path. Alright, and that'll make it so that bot will be able to work properly. Now if you already have Python installed and you forgot to add it to path, no worries, you can just go back to the installation, click modify, and click next, and you can select this option right here and it'll do the same thing. So next thing you want to have is you want to have your broker. Right now the bot is optimized for Blaze markets. It should work on other brokers, but some brokers have like different symbols and you might need to modify them a bit. So for this specific bot, I suggest Blaze markets, but you can use it on other brokers. So you can just download MT4 from their website right here. Alright, I don't have MT5, so we're using MT4. Here you go. And the last thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a Discord bot. I'm not going to go into detail about how to create one. There are lots of tutorials on that for YouTube. Just make sure you give it admin privileges when you install it. So like bot, admin. Make sure you have admin permissions, and also make sure you have these things enabled right here. And then once you have that, the most important part is you want to get your token, which can be found. Let's see, where is it? Here? Yeah, right here, reset token. Alright, so now that we got all the prereqs out of the way, we can go ahead to actually installing the bot. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to my GitHub. The link will be in the description. All these links will be in the description, by the way. Python, Blaze, Discord. And what you want to go ahead and do is click on code and then download zip. And that should install it to your computer right here. Also leave a star if you can. So now that you have that done, you want to go to your downloads folder. Alright, it should show up at the top right here. You want to click extract all, extract, and then you should have it right here. Now what you can go ahead and do is you can open it and you will find all the things you will need. Alright, so I have the Discord bot folder right here. I have my own place where I put all my Discord bots. You could put the folder anywhere, it doesn't matter, but I'm just gonna put mine right here. You can rename it too. I'm gonna call it MT4 bot YouTube. Okay, and then the rest of the things you can just leave alone for now. Alright, next thing we want to do is we want to change our config. Alright, so you want to click on the bot and you will see a config file right here. So go ahead and click on it. It might pop up like an ID, it might show notepad, just whatever text editor is fine, doesn't really matter. And you will see that you need two things right here. You need your Discord token and your channel ID. On the Discord token is simple. Once again, go to your application, go to bot, click on reset token. I'll give you your token. And for your channel ID, it's a bit more complicated, but what you want to do is you want to go to Discord, go to settings, go to advanced, and make sure you are in developer mode. Alright. And then what you can do after you have that enabled is go to your server, click on the channel, right click on the channel that you want your alerts to be sent to, and you can click on channel, copy channel ID right here. And then just make sure to paste it inside of these quotation marks right here. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll continue with the next step of the tutorial. Alright, so now that your token and your channel ID has been inputted into the file, you can leave that alone for now. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to your broker, so Blaze Markets for mine. Right now I'm on my demo account right here, just leave it open. And you want to go back to that extracted file you have earlier, right? And you should see a file called AutoLimitsBot. It should be an MT4 source file. So you want to go ahead and do is you want to double click on that. And it should bring up a tab that looks like this, all right? You should be in meta editor, and you should see AutoLimitsBot.mq4 and have this very long file. But don't worry, all you need to do is change one thing of this file, and that is the string connection files path. All right, and to get that, what you want to do is you want to go into your Discord file. So once again, MT4 bot YouTube, right? And you see I have a file called connection files. You want to right click on that and click copy as path right there. And that will copy it to your clipboard. You can just paste it in right here. Alright, so we're almost done. You don't want these double quotations around it. You only want single quotations, right? And the next thing you want to do is you want to, wherever there's a backslash, you just want to add a second backslash right here. Alright, so it should look something like this, where you have everything is in quotation marks, all the paths are separated by 2 backslashes, and this should direct you to your Discord bot folder right here, the connection underscore files. So now that's done, what you can do is you can click compile right here. Don't worry about these errors, these have no effect on the bot, it's perfectly safe. And you can go ahead to your broker, alright? And you want to go ahead and click on, scroll down to your expert advisors tab, and it should show up, I have a lot of experts, but it should show up right here, AutoLimitsBot, I think is the correct one, alright? Or whatever you named it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, alright? Now, when you add the bot to your chart, make sure that you allow live trading and you allow DLL imports. Alright, this is important, otherwise the bot will not work properly. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure auto trading is also enabled. Alright. And if you have that, you should see a little smiley face in the top right corner of your screen. You see AutoLimitsBot smiley face. Yo guys, one thing I forgot to mention, this is a common error and question I receive. You only want the expert advisor to be applied to a single tab, a single chart, right? So if you have like multiple charts, you know, I can have like your USD, I could have your CHIF. I have 3 tabs, right? Make sure the AutoLimitsBot is only applied to one of them. Because if you have it on multiple, then you're going to be putting like 9 orders when you should only be putting 3. Alright, so just make sure you only have it on one chart. Hey guys, second edit here. One more thing you also have to do is you want to make sure you're showing all the symbols. So right click here and click show all. If you don't do that, then some symbols won't work. So just make sure you have it all on. Alright, that's all, I promise. Alright, so now that you have that done, there's only one last thing you need to do. Alright, so go back to your Discord bot folder. Alright, you can go back. Alright, so you have this one right here. And you want to open your command terminal. And it should look something like this. Now what you want to do is you want to go to right click on the folder. So it might be called Discord underscore bot for you. For mine, remember I renamed mine MT4 bot YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on that and click copy as path. Alright, now go ahead to your terminal and type in this command right here. CD, and then copy paste your path right there. And it should lead you into this directory right here, or whatever your directory is called. Now that you have that done, you want to type in pip install -r requirements.txt. Alright, you might find some errors for certain packages like AutoUp LTS. I just have this error because I have a different version of Python installed on my computer, but it should work for the latest version of Python. Alright, if you have any issues installing this, just message me, but it should still work. So let's go ahead and type in this this function, or this command. So you want to do Python and then main.py. And you should see if everything works correctly. Log in using static token, and then logged in as your bot right here. Alright, so even though we had an error, it still was able to work properly. Now this bot will be running as long as you keep this terminal open. So if you want to keep it running forever, then I recommend using something like a VPS. Personally, I use AWS, but I know there's a lot of services. Just look up a tutorial online on how to use a VPS, and you should be able to get this bot running indefinitely. Also, at the time I'm releasing this video, Friday, the market will be closed, so do make sure to test this bot when the market opens back up on Sunday. So yeah. Now let's go back to Discord and see if our bot has been added. Yep, you can see right here, MT4 by YouTube, it is online. So now let's go ahead and test a couple of commands. So you can do .help, and you can read here, there are a lot of commands that I've added. There's adding, deleting, deleting all, saving orders. There's lot size, manual lot size, and there's also auto lot size. You can just read through it. There are a lot of features, but let's go ahead and test it on an actual limit. Just do this one right here, catchif. Can do .add, boom, and let's see. There we go. You have limit added, catchif long. I added expiry, so it expires at the end of the week, so Friday at 4:45 p.m. Daily, it's today at 4:45 p.m. You can limit stop loss, and you can also customize this image if you want in the config. Let's go to Blaze Markets, and you can see here that we have our limits 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's try a few more. Let's try an OT limit right here. Let's try GBPNZD. So add that. And you can see also added this. Looks like it's close to hitting. Interesting. And let's just do one more for the sake of it. Let's try gold. Let's try this right here. .add. You need to add the keyword gold. And there you have it. You have gold, and you can do this with as many symbols you want. Just be careful that you don't forget about them or anything. So let's try delete all. And you can see all of them have been deleted. You can do setting auto lot off and change the lot size, let's say 0.01. And you can just add it again. And there you go. So there's a lot of features, just make sure to read through all the commands. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you. Just DM me if you have any questions, and look forward to some more updates in the future. Thank you.